Last weekend, we went grocery shopping with Mom, and she bought lots of vegetables. Average kids do not like vegetables, but that's not the case for us in Toni's home. We always look forward to eating Mom's pasta with zucchini. It's so yummy. If you do not trust me, just see how Julia is enjoying it. Wondering how to make this dish so delicious? Then watch until the end. Want to try and prepare it? Get ready with the ingredients.
Ciao a tutti! Today I make pasta with zucchini. Simple, cheap, yet yummy dish. I make this pasta for my elder sister-in-law. She likes zucchini a lot. Ciao Cecilia! For make pasta with zucchini, I chose maffaldine. If you want, you use spaghetti or penne or tagliatelle. It's your choice. Let's start to clean vegetable.
Pick a zucchini that is a bit big, and after washing it, use a potato peeler to remove its skin. Do not throw the skin, but cut it into thin strips. Put these strips on one side. We will use them in a little while. Now, we dice the peeled zucchini. If you do not know how to do it, just follow what Mom is doing now. Put the diced zucchini on one side now. We will slice the other zucchini instead.
1, 2, 3, via, super veloci.
Now, we cut the leek and mint. Julia, are you a dog?
All ingredients are ready. Let's go for the next step. I choose the My Big Pen. This is very important for cooking well zucchini. Later, I explain you why. It's not me that explain you, but Ophelia, with her perfect English, continues to follow me and you discover very important tips.
Let's put some extra virgin olive oil.
So much!
Please, do not spoil this dish with anything less than extra virgin olive oil. When the oil is at high temperature, and you can see this when it starts fuming, you can put the zucchini strips. If you are unsure, just put a little strip in the pan. If you see it sizzling, then you can add the other strips. Do not worry too much about exceeding the smoke point of olive oil. Olive oil is the most stable and healthiest cooking oil. Check out the video above if you want to know more about this. While the zucchini strips are frying, they lose volume, and while they are shrinking, we see their color getting darker. They are ready when they are just a tiny bit brown. Put them on oil-absorbing food paper. Mom says that throwing extra virgin olive oil away after using it just once is a sin. So she puts it in a little jar and uses it for her next sauce or seasoning. Mom keeps checking if the mobile phone is still recording this video. She must be worried because of the high temperature up there. Now we cook the leek and the sliced zucchini.
I put extra virgin olive oil in the pan,
Too much.
the leek,
Too much Leek.
and I add the fire in high temperature.
So hot.
Don't add immediately zucchini, but to need that oil become very high temperature. You try to feel with your hand the temperature.
Mom is using again her large pan. It lets the zucchini breathe during frying so that they can reach a little crunchy texture, and it is roomy enough to add pasta in it later. You need to add the slices little by little so that the oil temperature does not drop too much. If the oil temperature drops, then the zucchini will lose crunchiness. Texture in this dish is fundamental, or else it will taste like eating boiled zucchini. Another important point is that the salt should be added only after zucchini have been cooked and with the burner off. Zucchini have lots of water inside. When we add salt, water is extracted, and if the burner is still on, it would be like boiling them.
I wanted to show you something. You look in the zucchini. Some is white and soft, some is brown. This is the correct cook.
Finally, we add the mint.
I blend half zucchini. Time to cook pasta. Number 1. Water is boiled. 2. Put salt. 3. Put the zucchini.
Remember the zucchini Mom diced earlier on? Now is the time to use them.
Sleepy until the water don't boil again. Now it's possible to put pasta.
Well, Mom, this time the pasta trick didn't work. Never mind. I know that when Mom puts pasta in the hot boiling water, we are just few minutes away from our meal.
Take out the pasta when it's still hard. Don't take the pasta at the final cook, because I need to put pasta in my sauce. I check. No, still too hard.
Do not let the pasta cook completely. Look at the suggested cooking time on its packaging and drain the pasta around 3 minutes before this time. So if the packaging says 10 minutes, drain the pasta 7 minutes after putting it in the hot boiling water. We will finish cooking the pasta in the condiment to let it absorb the flavors.
A little cooked water.
If the mix gets too dry, add a little water taken from the pasta pot.
The ice cream.
Add the blended zucchini and gently mix.
Wow! Cookies and cream. And pecorino. On the fire. So sorry for you, but the smell is fantastic.
Yeah, it's ready!
There is a perfect cream. You know what the pasta tell me? Eat, eat, eat. I have to try. Perfect. You want? I like this dish. Cecilia, I am sure that you like this dish. And you guys, write me in comment below. It's nice? It's perfect? Vuoi continuare a mangiare un poco?
Also this time, Mom's recipe has been a great success. Do you have any tips to make it even better? Let us know in the comments below.
Aspetta, togli le mani.
For more Italian recipes with Mom, subscribe and smash the bell button to receive all our updates. See you in the next episodes of Toni's Home.
1, 2, 3.